Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASL GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. So friend, ASL launches cute pet GPU all the boxes, and friend, this is not the first for the last model from the company, but certainly one of the most eye-catching when NASL launched the youth edition of their RTX 4060 model while back. This model takes the things to the new level, apparently only where cats would jump onto. And friend, this is a Chinese cartoon brand that has a strong presence in various toys, collection, and apparently PC components. Huang is the cat and Base is the dog. You can now buy an ASL RTX 4060 GPU featuring the pink color from Sakura Powder and Friend, which customs fan featuring stickers with these cats animals. If you are lucky, there is even a limited edition mouse pad to grab. And friend, ASL has an interesting backstory about how this model was designed and how cats elements bring to modern graphics technology. Frankly, I did not know myself, but it beats any marketing that we have seen so far. The card itself is, of course, loading extraordinary, and it is not even factory or clock. But for gamers seeking a non-starter design, the Pink Huang model is probably something to consider. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.